Can neon signs be installed on different colored backboards to make them stand out? Definitely. Neon signs can be installed on backboards of different colors to make them stand out. Combining neon signs with vibrant or dark backboards can produce incredible visual effects, especially when the sign is turned on. This creates halos and shadow effects that add an extra layer of depth and size to the neon sign. A neon sign installed on a colored backboard is a captivating visual art piece, even when turned off. Its bright colors and striking design make it a standout feature in any room. When selecting a backboard for your neon sign, consider different materials and colors that match the overall aesthetic of your space. For instance, wooden or metal backboards can add a rustic or industrial feel, while acrylic backboards can create a chic and modern look. You can also choose a backboard color that complements or contrasts with the color of the neon sign, such as a black backboard with white neon tubes or a red backboard with yellow neon tubes. Whether you want to add bold and trendy colors to your living room or create a striking focal point for your business, installing a neon sign on a contrasting backboard is a reliable way to leave a lasting impression.